A panel of federal judges at the U.S. Court of International Trade has ruled that President Trump's global tariffs that he unilaterally imposed are illegal. The judges found in two cases that President Trump overstepped his authority under the federal emergency powers, the pretext that he used to impose the sweeping taxes. Well, the ruling is a setback for Trump, who has been railing against the country's judges who have ruled against him on numerous issues. Like many of those other matters, this case will likely end up in the Supreme Court, which has a conservative lean, having been stuck by Trump under his first term in office, although they haven't always sided with the president, much to the dismay of many of his more ardent supporters. The White House has already appealed the ruling and lashed out at the judges. Senior White House official and close Trump advisor Stephen Miller tweeted saying, quote, "The judicial coup is out of control." White House spokesperson Kush Desai said, quote, "It's not for unelected judges to decide how to properly address a national emergency." He also added that President Trump would use, quote, "every lever of executive power to address this crisis." Well, the crises that Trump has used to bring in sweeping measures range from various things, from a trade deficit with many nations, also to the flow of deadly fentanyl across the country's borders. But the series of sweeping measures that Donald Trump has brought in have reshaped decades of U.S. trade policy, and the economic uncertainty has caused global markets to yo-yo, with Trump most recently threatening a 50% tariff on almost $1 trillion worth of trade coming from the European Union.